Good morning. My name is Roger from Emerson. Emerson is a global company based in USA, and Singapore is the headquarters for Asia Pacific. We have more than 1,000 employees in Singapore facilities. So this is an overview of a production plant, which could be a gas or coal-fired power plant. Level 0 is the field instrumentation that provides sort of big data to the control system in the middle level. Data collection, organization, and analysis is to be done at the management or the OT level. Above the OT layer is level 3, which you can find data diode interface between plant asset data and IT or SAP system. Next slide shows the digital transformation of a power plant. In the Honeypot project CSA awarded to Emerson, it shall be developed under the data analytics layer. Honeypot simulator will be developed side by side and integrating with Ovation digital twin applications. This is a new system concept leveraging digitized power plant with the latest AI and machine learning neural network to develop the Honeypot system at the OT layer of the plant. Okay, using digital twin solution, we are able to construct virtual power plant. We can build plant process model and customize our design to specific configuration through virtual controller. Client can use it for SOP training to the new operators, refresher course for the old timer, or when implementing new control strategy or process equipment, customer can test this out with the simulator first to verify the effect before putting them to live operation. And since this is a digital and virtual plant, customer can basically log on to the virtual power plant from anywhere in the world at the same time and 24/7. Okay, during the development of Honeypot project, we shall leverage the Emerson comprehensive cybersecurity experience and benchmark the Honeypot testing according to end user OT cybersecurity needs and their corporate IT policy. This slide also shows you that whilst cybersecurity experience Emerson has with US Department of Homeland Security, Ovation Control System is designated as the qualified anti-terrorism technology. What it means is that Emerson customers will not be liable for third-party claim if the plant deployed Ovation technology with respect to an act of terrorism or terrorist attack. Emerson's recent success in Singapore include collaboration with NTU. We built a microgrid that integrate solar, wind, diesel power generator, and battery storage system. Our success story by Emerson are power and desal plant site which deploy Emerson cybersecurity solutions. This also shows that cybersecurity is a must-have in developed country like Singapore. Finally, my last slide is a recap, a snapshot of the various industry that is served by Emerson. Thank you.